Hey everybody, I'm back with another tutorial here for your Hackintosh, or this is obviously for any Mac, whether it's a Hackintosh OS x86 or an actual Mac. This is also available for the regular PC as well. I haven't tried it on there, but I'm sure it works pretty much the same. This is actually for a program called PS3 Media Server, as you can see down here. Now what this does is it streams movies, music, videos, whether it's in HD or regular standard format. This will stream it to your PS3. As you can see here, I have my PS3 on in the other room, so this says PS3 has been found. Now this is pretty easy to set up. There's a few different settings that you might want to change on here depending on how choppy the video is. I notice sometimes that if the bitrate is too high, if you try to encode it at a high rate, it'll definitely start pausing and you'll get really choppy video to where it's pretty much unwatchable. There's a few different tabs here at the top. There's different options. It's status, which just tells you if the PS3 is on or not, and it's transcoding. See, nothing's going on right now at the moment. You've got these other tabs here. Traces, this pretty much just tells you everything that it's been doing. It tells you the IP address of the PS3 and the computer that you have it hooked up to. You've got your regular general configuration, which I don't think there's really anything here that you need to change. I mean, you've got your language, all the regular stuff here. Start, minimize. You can force an IP on it. Don't really need that. The thing that you do need to do is obviously add folders or movies, music, whatever you want it to be in here. So you go under the Navigation Share Settings tab, and this just gives you a few different options here as far as thumbnail generation. You've got the audio thumbnail display. You can set it to default, so I guess it'll pick it up from whatever server that it finds first, which the two here is Amazon, and there's Discogs as well. Once you make any type of change, no matter what it is, you're always going to want to hit the save button and restart HTTP server, just in case, to make sure everything is good there. Once you have folders added, I'll show you my folders here. Let's see, I've got my downloads, my Maxter USB videos. I just added one movie by itself here just to test that out within the folder that it's in. I have my Azarius downloads and then just my regular USB videos here and local on this drive. Now the cool thing about this is since this is a Hackintosh, I'm using Caliway 10.5.2. I'm dual booting as well. I'm dual booting. Here's my Leopard hard drive. Here's my information there, and this is actually my Windows XP install here. If I scroll down to the bottom, you see my external Maxter USB as well, which is this guy right here. That's my external drive. He's on there. So basically what I did is just go to the shared folder section here, and you click on the plus sign, and to get to your volumes, which is just any drive that you have hooked up here, the easiest way is to just go up till you're at the root here, where you can see the /. Then you go to volumes. Now in there you're going to get every hard drive that's hooked up. Here again is my Leopard hard drive, my Maxter USB external, and my Windows XP partition. Actually lets you share anything within there, so that's good. You don't have to necessarily have it just on your hard drive. And I'm just going to cancel out of there. And like I said, you can see here what I added. First one is from my OS X partition, and the other ones are just from my Maxter external USB drive. So you don't necessarily have to have anything on your actual hard drive for you to stream these videos here. Now I'm going to go into the transcoding settings, because this right here is another important thing as far as keeping your videos running smooth. I haven't found the perfect setting yet, but mine is pretty decent right now. So I pretty much kept everything standard the way it is. Transcode buffer maximum size, left it at 400. Then also it gives you a nice little option here, the number of cores used for transcoding. I'm pretty sure it'll find it on its own. That's what it did with mine. I've got a dual core, so it shows 2, but you can also drop it down and change it to just 1 core, 2 cores, however many you have, if it doesn't recognize through your software itself. So it's a nice little feature. Obviously here, your audio settings as well. AC3 audio bitrate. You can change that to whatever you want as well. You do 2-channel stereo, or you also get the 5.1 surround sound. Then you can change this to 182 or 384, 640, whatever you want to change that to. Of course, you do some experimenting with it so you can get the best audio and video for you. If you don't want to do it at such a high rate, you can lower it to 96. Obviously, that's going to be almost mono, so definitely not going to get that much sound power out of that. Then you have the other options here as far as transcoding the video quality settings. Maximum bandwidth in megabytes, 0 is unlimited. If you drop down this box here, it'll tell you pretty much everything here. This one's for best quality, lossless quality, good quality for HD with Wi-Fi transcoding, and all the way down to low quality. If you have anything probably, I'd say less than cable internet connection, if you have DSL and it's a pretty slow line, you're probably going to want to do either medium quality or low quality. I'm not exactly sure how that is going to play on your TV and through the PS3. I haven't tested that out yet. I've done medium to lossless. Lossless at the aptly named crazy bitrate actually just freezes. It won't even play really, since it's just trying to transcode at such a ridiculous rate. Now me, I left mine at the I left it at the medium quality, which still shows good quality. I'm not sure if I needed to restart the PS3 for these changes to take effect when I was actually making these changes. But that's what I tried mine at. So I suggest starting at a high quality first and seeing what it plays as on your PS3, and then gradually go down and restart, and of course save, and then restart the HTTP server after you're done with everything. So I'm going to leave this the way it is, and I'll show you what we have here on the PS3 itself. So I don't think I made any changes here, but I'm just going to hit save and then restart HTTP server just in case.